In this video, I will show you exactly how to get your hands on the powerful Bluescreen exotic light machine gun in the Division 2. To start your journey, keep in mind that the Bluescreen is part of the general exotic loot pool. The most efficient method is definitely heading over to Countdown or the Summit. Once you arrive, you must set your targeted loot specifically to light machine guns. This significantly increases your chances of seeing that beautiful exotic orange glow on the ground after a boss fight. While you are playing Countdown, remember to collect as many requisition credits as possible. You can use these credits at the vendor at the base of operations to buy exotic caches. These caches are fantastic because they provide a guaranteed exotic item, and the Bluescreen has a high chance of dropping from them. If you prefer a different pace, you can also complete your weekly SHD requisition project by donating materials. This rewards you with another exotic cache every single week for very little effort. Another great tip is to run heroic missions or world difficulty activities with several global modifiers active. Stick to these methods and you will be shocking enemies in no time at all.